limitations. That's what we have here. We're limited. We have a certain amount of wire, and I know I could get it in here, and I could bring it out to the very outer edge. What is it? It's one of those cameras that you put in the rear window. Too bad, the older cars don't have rear view cameras that you could attach. Wait a second, we do. So why can't we just, tap into the rear license plate or put this right next to the rear license plate? Well, I want to keep it inside where it's nice, crispy, and clean. Yeah, right behind the windshield, buddy. So I ran my leads. I got to fish the leads in between. I'm going to take my time to get this in here, this and that. And I don't need to pop it off, but I could definitely get this where it needs to be. And I'm going to just slide my wire. A lot of people online, they ask these questions. How can I get, a webcam to the back of the car? Fish, you need to show a little bit more than that. Well, I got my fingers all wedged in there and the cable going in. That's really, 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 really difficult to do. Notice when I start to be quiet, that means I get my job done. So I don't need to have this cover, taken out. Cheap cover, man. So all I gotta do is just pull my lead to where I need to want it. Attach my camera. Don't fall. This camera goes like right here. And I got my leads right here. So everything's going to be nice and clear. So if I need to put this right up there, I still can. I think that's a good spot. And I could adjust my camera angle up and down. Now my leads go all in here. Well, I got cable right here and the plug. Never cut you short. Figure out where your leads want to go and tuck on in. Now the glue that's on this camera, I'm going to have to figure out how to get it glued on. Now I may come down on the inside over here, like this, in the weather stripping area. My hardest part is messing with this airbag. And that's what I have to do, figure that part out. So I'm able to get my fingers and slide my cable through. One more cable to get through. Oh, what's this tool? That's why you could do things with fingers. And this tool allows you to push it in. It's a cheating tool. Oh, what am I going to do with all the extra slack? Look how simple that is. I got all this wire. I think I'm going to let it hang. All that extra wire. I got no idea what to do with it. No idea at all. But for some reason, it's getting lost. All in here. So if I ever need to have wire, I know what to do and how to get it. I don't use the child safety belt, so I can go the other way. I'm glad this is not your car because I wouldn't tell you what I'd do with all that extra wire to begin with. Let me just pull it in here and get rid of it this way. You'll never know. So the tailgate closes. I got a beautiful thing. Yeah, Sis wants it over there. That's why you always leave slack in your line to do the work. Beautifully done.